Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
What I do?
You're driving all over the road.
Oh no. Oh, I'm
That's
sorry.
why I'm stopping you.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Where are you headed?
To my daughter.
Okay. Where's that at?
West 6.
West 6?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay. Do you know where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Streetsboro, whatever. Cause I just came from Route 8. Ain't nothing back there.
You're not in Streetsboro.
No. I'm not in Streetsboro, but I just came from Route 8. I'm following my GPS here. So I'm trying to go home. Word, that's home. Word. That's it. I'm okay.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you? Where are you coming from now? Sorry.
Maple Heights. I'm sorry.
Maple Heights?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you trying to get to?
Back home.
Back home?
Yeah.
Back to Maple Heights?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. You got the insurance for the vehicle?
No, it's in my mom's car.
Okay. Do you know, does she have a copy with her in the car?
No.
Do you know by chance?
No, I just know it's Progressive.
It's just Progressive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry, officer.
No,
But she got it. Yeah.
Making sure. Let's see.
That's all.
I'll let you look for it through all those papers and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, baby.
Alright, Jeanette.
Yeah.
Any luck with the insurance?
Yeah, she has Progressive.
Progressive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, she has Progressive. I know it because it's my mom.
Okay.
And I probably don't have the car on me, but yeah, she has it.
Okay.
It's nothing.
Do you take any medications at all? Okay, do you have any injuries or anything like that?
No.
No injuries at all?
No.
Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts?
Contacts.
Contacts, are you currently wearing them?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No. Earlier, I'm having some issues, but I'm okay.
What's earlier?
What this him calling out with him.
Who's him?
My husband.
Okay, just hang up for me, okay?
Okay.
So we can figure all this out.
Okay.
I don't want him to stress you out.
No, we good, baby.
So what's earlier? You said you had a little bit to drink earlier?
Oh, that was like 12 o'clock, something
12
like
o'clock?
that. Yeah, I'm just upset. I'm stressed.
What were
nothing else is going on. It's some Montebello, Long Island. That was at the house. Bought out the store.
Okay.
Nothing that I came out here. I took my daughter to Sunset in Macedonia.
Okay.
So coming back, following GPS, I got lost.
Okay.
So that's why I'm here.
Okay. I'm just gonna have you step out real quick, okay? I just want to make sure you're good to drive, and if you are, then we'll go from there, okay?
We found that. Yep.
I hope we are.
Oh, I'm okay. You?
I'm good. I hope we are.
I don't want nothing.
No, I just gotta do my due diligence. That's all.
No, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna have you stay up right there for me where my flashlight's at, okay? Okay. I'm gonna turn my phone off. I'll be testing. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
All right, Jeanette.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you.
This is crazy.
Well, I'll have you stand here. Okay. I know I already asked you, but no injuries, right? Nothing.
No.
Nothing that will affect your balance.
It should.
Nothing that will affect you walking in a straight
I
line.
had head injury 15 years ago.
15 years ago? Yeah. Okay. But I know you said you wear contacts. Are you currently wearing them?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You don't need glasses, though?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Are you okay with your hat on? I know it's cold. I don't want you...
Yeah, I mean, but if you need me to pull it off, I got a bonnet on.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. No, you're good. Put your hat back on.
Okay. Yeah. Good. I just didn't like how I look.
All right. You're okay. All right. Can you stay with feet together? Arms on your side for me? Okay. You see the tip of this pen?
Yeah.
Okay, what I want you to do, I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to turn your head side to side.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All that makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Still got it?
Yep.
Okay. Just keep your head still for me, okay?
Oh, just move my eyes.
Yep, just your eyes.
Got you, babe.
Still got it?
Yep.
Okay. We're good.
I got you.
You're good. Keep looking at it for me, okay?
Sure.
Keep your head still. Head straight, just move your eyes, okay?
Okay.
You're doing good. Just I'm going to go far out, but it's going to be like that for a reason.
No, I got you, baby. Go ahead.
There you go.
I know you got to do your job.
Very good.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
Okay. I don't know.
We're almost there.
I'm just trying to get home.
I hear you. I want to go home too.
No, I feel you, baby.
I'm going to go straight up now. Same thing. Keep your head still for me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. God, this kind of blows. Up there? Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Come over here for me, okay? We're going to go up here to this driveway.
So right here?
Yep.
Okay. You arresting me?
I'm not arresting you. We're going up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's just more straight. Yeah.
No, I just want to let somebody know I ain't did nothing wrong, but I understand.
I just gotta do my due diligence. Okay, I'm gonna have you turn around. We're gonna face this way towards the driveway. Okay. So what I want you to do, imagine that there's a straight line in front of you. Okay. I know there's no line, but just imagine a straight line in front of you. Okay. So don't move yet. Okay. So I want you to do is put your left foot on that line, with your right foot in front of it, heel to toe for me.
Okay. Right here.
And then put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe.
You know there's snow out here.
I know. Don't move yet, okay? Go backwards. Nope. You're good. Go backwards.
Okay.
Okay, so left foot. With your right foot in front of it, heel to toe, just like this.
Left foot.
Stand there.
And then you put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe.
Yep.
Keep your arm down to your side and don't move, okay?
Gotcha.
So I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down that imaginary line. You're going to take a series of small steps, turn yourself around. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back, okay? I'm going to show it to you as it looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn yourself around. 9 heel toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay?
Gotcha.
So it's important. I want you to look down at your feet. I want you to count steps out loud.
Flat level. Okay.
Yeah, count steps out loud. Keep your arms down to your side. Make sure all your steps are heel to toe. And once you start, don't stop until you finish, okay?
9.
9.
Gotcha.
All right, so put that left foot with the right foot in front of it, heel to toe for me. All right, if you understand everything, you can begin.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around.
Yep.
Left foot.
Keep going.
1. Behind. 2. Oh shit. Look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You gotta understand there's snow on this ground.
I get it.
Okay.
All right, turn around and face me, okay?
Okay.
It's still flat. Are you okay with balancing on one foot right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So stand with your feet together, arms on your side for me, okay? Don't move and don't start, okay? I'm going to demonstrate and explain it to you. So I tell you to begin, you're going to raise a foot, either one of your choice, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep both your legs straight. You're going to keep that foot you raised parallel to the ground. Your arms are going to be down to your side. You're going to look at your raised foot and you're going to count out loud 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
So it's going to look something like this. You're going to raise a foot, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to look at it. You're going to count out loud 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Don't start yet. 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, and so on until I tell you to stop, okay?
It's a 30-second test.
Okay.
So, you have any questions?
No.
Okay, what foot do you want to raise?
The left.
The left one?
Yeah.
Okay. If you understand everything, you can begin. You can go.
Put it up.
Yep.
Oh.
About 6 inches.
Can't do that 1 foot. I mean, I'm 56. I ain't young,
Keep
y'all.
going.
Yeah.
I've seen older people lift their foot up. You're okay.
Yeah, but I mean, come on, y'all. Okay.
You're okay. Keep going.
It's fine.
Okay, you can stop for me, okay? Alright, come over here for me, okay? Alright, stop right there. Alright, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is for?
You're impaired.
You had a couple too many.
A little too much.
Okay.
Okay, let me. Can I make a call?
You'll be able to
We'll let you make as many phone calls as you want.
Get you out of the cold, and then you'll be able to do it.
Let's get you warm.
Get your phone and everything, all right? I'm gonna be touching you because I'm gonna pat you down. Okay? Is there anything on you that you don't want to bring into our facility because it becomes a felony 3?
Ready, mark time.
Bombs. Okay, I'm just gonna check you. Anything in your hat? No. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on you for now.
Please don't.
Well, for now, honey.
Yeah, I did it.
Anything in these little pockets on your boots?
No, they did. They
Decoration?
did decoration.
I like them.
There's little stuff in there. Yeah, I'm scared to put money in there because I'm scared I'm gonna lose.
I don't blame you. I would be too.
Yeah, I won't put
But I would think too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Check your way.
yeah, that's
That'd be the number one
I'd
spot.
be walking around and I'd be thinking,
I
everything's
get
gonna
so
fall
many
right out of them.
compliments,
Yeah.
But I ain't putting no money in there.
Yeah, they'll check a little better.
Okay.
That gets
No, that's fine. Ain't
They're
nothing in there
squishy, but
the
that's
phone.
about it.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
the phone that's in
She's
there.
got pockets for everything, though.
The lighter, my medicine,
Well, there's a lighter. What's in here?
lighter, and my medicine. That's
Well,
my
careful.
medicine.
Something's in there.
What kind of medicine is it?
For my back pain.
Okay. Are you prescribed it?
Yes.
Okay. You
Yes,
got
I
that
am.
with you?
No, I don't have it with me, but
Okay.
I took them with me, whatever. But yeah, I got it.
But you
I'm
do
gonna
have,
try
a
with-
doctor's prescription
yeah.
for it?
What
Okay.
side you want from us?
My driver's side.
Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Okay.
Oh, that's going to call. Okay, so
We'll get you all that.
We'll do an orange on that one just in case. Because I don't. Who carries it?
It's in her pocket with a lighter.
Yeah. And who carries
And
it?
that was one of the pockets.
Yeah. That's fine.
She was
But
asked.
who puts
There's
it in
also
that
no.
tissue?
You know,
Yeah, I saw that one. She stepped out. I got it. You're good.
Yeah, we'll bring it back.
Yeah.
Did you already call the tow?
No, yeah, I'm gonna
You
do
know,
it.
they just advise police of it.
Yeah.
Although maybe they'll differently now that we.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2040. I don't know. She's bombed. She told me that, for one, she was, I'll have to replay it, but at first she told me that she was in Streetsboro.
She doesn't know where she's going. I love it. Lately, they're just lost.
And then she was telling me that she was coming on her way back from Macedonia, but yet she was eastbound 82 from York.
We have been getting these lately. This lack of
Yeah.
sense of direction anymore.
But local,
People have no idea where they are anymore. You know what I mean?
yeah, I don't
Crazy.
understand it. But yet she's following her GPS that she did not have up. So I don't understand that one.
No backseat pocket. Does that come out at all? Let me try this.
I don't want to like touch this. I don't know. Like,
What's happening there? That's weird.
because that stuff was in tissue or whatever. So I
Who
don't
does that? We have fire baskets. You know, fire baskets.
need some. Kia Souls lately had just been catching my eye.
Yeah, they have.
I don't know why, but something with Kias. I'm hoping that this is just like snot rags. but
Probably, but why would you shove them in there? That's gross.
it's empty.
So many fucking.
Yeah, she's got like one of those bomber jackets.
I mean, that's where I found the
Gotta
drugs on the side pocket. So
What the hell is this?
I would think she'd keep it all together. You know. I don't know. Body.
Flavor Town Chicken Box Large. Oh. Inhalation. Okay, that's hers. Wow, what is
They will. It's light though, huh?
that?
Yeah. Is that light?
No, it's
It's
fake.
not light? Is it? actually shaking it out.